Okay, we are candling our duck eggs again today. It is day 14. Our temperature is 99.5 degrees and the humidity was 60%. We're going to start with duck egg number 1. Okay. Right, there seems to be no change in duck egg number 1, okay? It's still very bright. We don't see any veins, so I believe that this one has stopped growing. Okay? It's very bright. Right, so we probably see the egg yolk and the egg white in there. Okay, so this one has no growth. Egg number 2. Wow. Boys and girls, do you see how much darker the egg has gotten? That's good. That means that there is a lot of growth since last week. It is very dark. Okay, that is a wonderful thing. I see a really great vein actually. Do you see it over here?
Yeah.
It spiders across. Okay. That's very good. Alright, let's look at egg number 3. Also very dark. There's a lot of growth in this one also since last week. I see another healthy vein over here. Okay, and that dark spot has gotten a lot larger, which means that our lovely duckling that's inside is growing very nicely. Okay. Remember, it's up on the smartboard too if you can't see it so well from where you're sitting, and see what I'm holding over the projector. Alright. Egg number 4 is growing very nicely too. Now this one, we can see that air sac really well on the bottom.
Yeah.
That's a nice big air sac and a lot of growth up on top. Alright, we still see the veins that are coming across. Do you see the difference in the color from number 4 to number 1 that we looked at?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, here's egg number 5. This one has also seemed to gotten a lot darker. We still see veins across the sides here. Alright, and there's the air sac. Do you see how bright that is down there?
Yeah.
Okay, and the light seems a lot brighter down here than it does at the opposite end. That's where the air sac is for our embryo inside. Isn't that great? Yay! Very exciting today. Okay, I'm going to show you egg number 6. A lot of growth in this one also, okay? As they get darker, that means that there is more growth inside. Okay, but we do see the veins spidering over here. That's a lot of good growth as well. Growth means that the embryo, we said the embryo is the science word for the duckling that's inside because it's not quite a duckling yet. Okay, so there's an embryo growing inside of the egg. And as it gets bigger, the egg is going to get darker. This is egg number 7. Egg number 7 is growing very nicely as well. You see how dark it has gotten? And I still see some healthy veins over here. Okay, that's not the air sac though. The air sac is down here. See how much brighter it is? Okay. That's where the embryo is. We said the embryo is the baby duckling that's growing inside. Now, egg number 8, although it does have a dark spot, it doesn't seem to have grown as much as the rest of them have. Okay? This one's a lot brighter, even though there is a dark spot inside. Yes? Okay. This is egg number 9. Remember, egg number 9 is just as bright as egg number 1. So I think that the growth in this one has also stopped. Okay, compared to some of our other eggs.
I saw a little red. Yeah, a little dark.
And here's egg number 10. This one has gotten a lot darker as well. Okay, and we still see some veins that are down below, and the air sac down here. We know it's the air sac because it is much, much brighter than the rest of the eggs. Okay, so out of our 10 eggs, boys and girls, most of them seem to be showing some very wonderful growth. One of them seems to have changed a lot, and the two are just about the same as they were last week. Okay, we will candle them again next Monday, which will be day number 21. Okay.
So people that have chicks, I want a baby